Well, it's Monday and this build is way underway and not very much time. As you can see, we got a list going of everything that needs to get done. We're putting the flooring in right now, doing our final fits on the flooring, and a mad dash to get everything installed, so stay tuned. So what we're doing right now is we're putting the subfloor in this van. So we're doing a 1-inch wood floor. And right now we're just making this thing ready for church by making it really holy. So right now we're just installing our new light bar on the front. We just finished designing these new brackets, so they're gonna fit behind any Chevy Express van. Doesn't matter if it's diesel or gas. They'll fit right behind your grill, right above your center line, wherever your GMC or your Chevy logo is. So it'll fit right in there, and it fits this nice light horsepower, nice and clean.
We just got finished laying all the wood down on the floor. Now we're going to seal the railing lines, and then we're going to pull in the paneling, and then we're going to adjust the paneling so that it fits perfectly with the floor. We got about a 1/2 inch that we need to make up, and we need to figure out how we're going to do it. I think we're going to do it with rubber lining to go around it so that it'll look real clean. That'll match also the color of the ceiling that we're doing right here.
We are super excited to have Warren be a part of our build again this year in 2018. And we're going to be equipping our Chevy Express van with this awesome Xeon 12S winch. This thing is going to be awesome just in case we get stuck, or else maybe we need to pull somebody else out. And then for that instance, we have this awesome Warren tow strap, which is part of the recovery kit. This recovery kit is going to include all kinds of goodness, including these awesome gloves that I'm totally digging, and just all in one bag. Really nice bag, really well put together, including all of this stuff in there along with other stuff. And if you need to put it on as a backpack, you can do that if you have another spot to put all of this other gear in. Otherwise, it all comes in this one bag, which is really nice. So a lot of really cool stuff from Warren Industries that are gonna go on this year's Chevy build. So I can't talk to you anymore though. I gotta go get this winch put on the van. We only have a couple days left till SEMA. See you guys later.